It is now 4 p.m. on July 3, Beijing time. Last Friday, the video suggested that EURUSD go long below 1.0795. After the release, the lowest price was 1.0836, and it rose to 1.0934 ahead of the entry point, with a cumulative increase of 98 points. Then there is gold. Last Friday, it was recommended to go long below 1892. After the issue, the lowest price was 1900.6, which was $8.6 away from the entry point, and it rose to 1922.8 ahead of schedule, with a total of 222 points. The two signals in the video are in the right direction, but neither enter the market. So on Friday night, Laodai issued a signal in the traders group to sell EURUSD above 1.0916. After the issue, the highest was 1.0925, and some short orders reached the entry point. When the exchange rate fell to 1.0889 at 2:44 this afternoon, it was prompted to leave the market, making a small profit of $270 to $360 per lot. In addition to the intraday signals, Laodai's main account has been using EA programs to make high-weight targets. The picture on the top of the screen is a balanced trend chart of the main account. The so-called part is a net profit of $13,967 from June 1st to June 30th, which happens to be 10% monthly income. The second picture shows a trend of Laodai's account balance in the second quarter of this year, from April 1st to June 30th, showing a steady upward trend. With a cumulative net profit of $65,804 and a quarterly rate of return of 43.87%. If interested and want to keep up with it, you can find the contact information on the screen and ask for the observation password of the main account. After login, you can see the whole process of the real-time operation. The password will be disclosed for a week. And if it is suitable for you, consider joining the traders group or participating in account management business. How to operate today? Let's look at EURUSD first. Last Friday, the Eurozone released the CPI data, which fared less than expected. In addition to the European Central Bank, major European countries also returned to hawkish policies. The US course raising interest rates, but inflation is still on a downward trend, which is expected to reduce the tendency to raise interest rates in the future. The Eurozone is mainly on guard against the pressure on the economy caused by raising interest rates. If a recession is hyped, then raising interest rates will not bring support to the euro but will be detrimental. Therefore, both bulls and bears in EURUSD are more cautious. The lower support is 1.0950 and 1.0800. You need to observe more on Monday and wait for 1.0825 before doing long. It is recommended that the EURUSD at 1.0825 to 1.0760 with a stop loss of 1.0750. The upward resistance is farther away at 1.0945 to 1.0970. However, the direction of gold has been tangled recently because the overall economic data in the United States is good. The stock market is rising and bond yields are high. However, there will still be medium and long-term funds to support the price of gold. Central banks and institutions of various countries have been buying gold due to excessive interest rate hikes in various countries, the subsequent slowdown in economic net growth, and the long-term release of currency are all reasons for funds to choose gold. Around 1905, below the gold price, is the rising point of the PCE data last Friday. During the day, you can pay attention to the support of 1905 to 1900 and do long positions. Gold can be long at 1903 to 1890, stop loss at 1888. Today and tomorrow are US holidays, which will affect market liquidity. In terms of operation, you can wait patiently for key points before participating. Intraday signals must be set a stop loss to prevent risk events from interfering within the market. In addition to Europe and gold, 2 to 3 products will be selected from the 5 targets of GBP, AUD, JPY, silver, and crude oil, including their supports, resistance, and directions will be given for reference. The upper part is last Friday's signals review chart, and the lower part is today's point of view sharing. But it is only recommended for traders who have a certain short-term trading basis. The target point is not placed on the video. Lauda will also watch the market trend and notify more accurate selling tips in the group. Scan the QR code on the top of the screen for cooperation consultation and contact me. Finally, I will give you a famous quote from Alan Greenspan.